Hi there, and welcome to Tammy TalkTV, where we share ways to build a healthy, happy life. Today it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays we share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is word magic and how to use the magic of words to craft our reality. Today we're going to drill down on a specific word, please, also known as the magic word. But did you know that please really has a dark side? But first, a quick programming note. If you're watching this as a bonus video in the Everyday Vacay e-seminar series, just know that these bonus videos are part of our public YouTube channel. So comments you leave here will be public, as opposed to our classroom videos in which the comments are contained to the classroom. Okay, now back to our discussion about the magic word please. And like I said, please actually has a dark side, and so we have to be very deliberate in how we use the word please. Now, of course, if you're asking for support or assistance, please is absolutely appropriate and very well may bring you the results you're looking for. But if you're using the word please to ask someone to do something that they are already responsible for, you are actually putting yourself in a subordinate position. You're taking your own authority away and giving them the authority. Because when you think about it, please and plea are derived from the Latin word placere. And of course, when you make a plea for something, it implies that you're begging, that you're asking. So if what you're doing is requesting that someone do something they're already responsible for, you might use the phrase, "it would be much appreciated," and that would be more effective than putting yourself in that subordinate position of using the word please. So let's take that to real life. Let's say that I work in an office and my coworker Linda was supposed to have turned in a written report to me 3 days ago. So I send her an email that says, "Please submit your report by 3 o'clock today." Now that implies that I'm begging her, that I'm asking her to please do something she's already responsible for. That puts me in a subordinate position. It takes away my authority to some degree. However, if I said I will expect that report by 3 o'clock today and it will be much appreciated, that's a totally different kind of attitude, a different kind of magic, a different spell, so to speak. Rather than putting me in the subordinate position, it puts me in that position of authority, requesting that she do something she's already responsible for. So very often, "it would be much appreciated" is a really good alternative to the word please. Now, in some social situations, I'm as guilty as anyone else. If a waitress says to me, "Would you like a refill?" I very well may say, "Yes, please." And of course, that's fine, but it would also be just as fine to say, "Yes, thank you." Just a small difference in the way we use those magic words. So please is absolutely a magic word, and it is good magic when we're using it to ask for something for support or assistance or a favor. Please is absolutely good magic and very well may get us what we want. So the next time you use the word please, just be aware, if you're in a position of authority, don't just give that away needlessly. Okay, so next week we're going to talk about thank you, another one of those wonderful magic words. Until then, here's wishing you much health and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you get a reminder when there's a new video.